Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video, I will show you how to design Standee in Canva step by step, including size, blend and print tips that may help. Okay, so let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me start the video. So here, come to the create and go to the for you option and search for Standee banners. Here you can see the few Standee banner options size like landscape, portrait and rectangle banner and other thing. Like we need to use that rectangle banner, so by default size is 850 into 200 2000 mm. Okay, so just select that. So this is your banner size. You can check your banner size. Just select that banner, go to the size, go to the custom size, and this is your banner size. You can change with inches, mm or the centimeter. So we have size in mm. Okay, so you can change from here size. If I change it like 800 width and height 2000, keep the 2000 mm. So I just make to resize this design or make the copy and resize. So it will be copy the another design and original will keep as it is, and it will be copy and create the another design. So I just, or you can resize this design only. So if you want copy, just resize your original design. Okay, just select that, it will be resized. Now let me check. Let me customize 800. So I have just resize it. Also you can check the actually Standee size in internet, so you can see Google will be show you, or you can simply customize your with your size from here. Now go to the elements or templates, and in templates you can see the lots of Standee designs like this. Just choose anyone or just search for Standee banner. Here you can see the lots of options. I just choose this one. Okay, it's done. So now you can change the all your content. Okay, you can write your content from here. Okay, everything you done, you can change color like this. Okay, you can also use that grid color. Okay, change the color from here. Okay, here we have the gradients color, so it will be look very professional like this. Okay, change as it is, whatever you want. After you done, go to share and go to the download and download as a png or pdf. So I just suggest you download as a pdf, and or png, or make sure it is quality or size should be maximum like this. Okay, don't make the size minimum, so it will be your quality will be compromised. So just select the maximum like this and download it, or you can download as a pdf, standard or best for printing, and use RGB. Okay, now download it. After download you can print it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.